Ndumiriri ya munini wa president muthenya wa ira niyonekanite kuraraka abunge aria mari ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja riu makimuria eyeherie gituro-ini ta munini wa president.
Well done.
Wadiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremia Kioni augete munini wa president niyonanitie uhinga munene na guthie na mbere kuhuthira mbeca cia thirikari o iria araigirira.
Deputy President William Samoei Ruto, you are now out of order. And enough is enough. If he is so unhappy with the things that are happening in the government, he should resign. And that is provided for in the Constitution. If I don't want to doubt his mental capacity, but that is also one of the grounds that is available in the Constitution for you to resign.
UDA party leader reveling into a litany of well-choreographed and timely failed digs at independent constitution bodies, KRA, EBC, DCI, and judiciary.
Ndumiriri ya Ruto igie kuruga honge kiumbe aingira wathani-ini ni kumithitio moruru make megie njetukano yake na mutongoria wa bururi makiagirwo kiene.
The UDA party leader accused his boss, the president, of betrayal and ungratefulness while keeping away from the real reason why he fell out with the president. It is in the public domain.
Kwa nini bado unapata mshahara wa kitaifa? Kwa nini bado unapewa marupurupu, security, magari ya serikali na kila kitu ambacho umepewa kama makamu wa rais? Na ilhali wewe kila siku unaitukana hiyo serikali na viongozi wake.
Many of the decisions that he seems to be criticizing in this government are decisions that has been arrived at in meetings that he has been part of.
Miario ya mumbunge wa Gatundu ya muhuro Moses Kuria mucemanio-ini ucio igie wuici wa kura ni ngetheirwo ni atongoria ya riu Kamiti ya IEBC kiuga ni kurekereria riboti thutha wa guthuthuria miario yake.
Juma angechukuliwa ndani. Moses Kuria pia amesema tuliiba, tulitengeneza, sijui tumeweka wapi. Ni nini inafanywa aje sahi kusema hivyo? Na kama walikuwa naiba basi na Ruto. Walikuwa naiba na Raila. Kwa hivyo ni mzuri ijulikane hizi matamishi ichukuliwe hatua kwa kila mtu.
We want to know what they mean by saying we stole votes. We want to know. And so we hope that they will tell us what they mean. Because we don't know what is this that they could have done or the particular individual you're talking about says he did. We all want to hear.
Ihinda-ini riu gikundi kia ayuthi kuma kaunti ya Murang'a aria makoretwo makimathira kura ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ni mokireire munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee David Murathe thutha wa kuuga Raila Odinga ni akayukia uhotani githurano-ini giukite ona gicigo kia Mount Kenya kingiaga gukamunyita baru.
Miario uragweta ti miario ya Jubilee ni miario yaku we mwene. Na koguo ukirugama haria mbere ya TV kana mbere ya kamera ukauga nie ta Murathe kura cia Mount Kenya Raila ndarabatara.
Wario tocio wa Murathe ithuĩ tũtiwĩiyũkĩtie twĩta mbeũ njithi tondũ nikio twĩ haha ithuĩ twendie kiama tondũ nĩ tũĩ mabata ma kiama tũtũmĩtwo nĩ president witũ Uhuru Kenyatta.